Hey everyone, it's Larry from wstrades.com. Today I want to do a video showing you how you can make custom indicators using AI, specifically ChatGPT. That's what we're going to use here. So, been messing around with it. I'd say it's probably, I don't know, maybe 40% of the time spits out a code that works like it's supposed to without any messing around. And I'm going to try and actually hope that, I'm just going to type something random, make it make me an indicator, and hope that there's an error so I can show you an easy way on how to try and get ChatGPT to actually fix the code itself without you having to know too much. Now, I do use Thinkorswim. If you watch any of my videos, so I don't know if it works with something like TradingView's Pine script. I'm assuming it does, but you'll just have to test it out. This is just showing you how you can kind of word things to get it to do, actually make you indicators. So I found out that, I don't know if it's still doing it, but if you type in and tell it, make me an indicator for Thinkorswim, then it tells you, well, yeah, they use ThinkScript as a bot. I can't do that. But if you type something in, what indicator should we try and do? Do some sort of, we'll try that. So if you type in something like make me an indicator in ThinkScript, which is the coding language of Thinkorswim. That looks for, no, it's not triangle, for triangle pattern breakouts. And then we'll hit enter, see what it comes up with. So it's just telling you, hey, I'm going to, wait, trading patterns complex. Okay, yeah, so it's going to give you a spiel of, what it's doing. And if you ask it anything trading, basically it tells you nothing's guaranteed. You might lose money, all that type of crap. So it's kind of just watching its butt. But looks like it's working out a nice indicator. And then at the bottom, it's going to tell you what the indicator is looking for and kind of how it works. Just a glance, it looks like this one might, yeah, it might work. We'll see. So it's saying, all right, script we first declare, okay, it's done. First script we first declare that the indicator will be plotted below the chart using declare lower. So it's kind of telling you exactly how it wrote this code. Let's see what it says. Should be able to do set up inputs. All right. We then calculate triangle pattern is bullish or bearish by comparing differences between the highs and lows. All right, well, let's give it a shot, see if this actually does something. Like I said, it doesn't work a lot of the time, so we'll see. Go up here to the indicator, and you can see I don't have anything on this chart, it's just a blank chart. Go to create, select this, Control V, and script has been automatically updated. Okay, so it had a slight error, but ThinkScript knew what it was, so it fixed it. So it looks like this might actually work. Let's title this AI try. All right. Okay, we're going to apply. So this is a lower indicator. And it's not plotting anything. So, all right, you see this big blank indicator I can see. And if you look right here, you can see the Y value is changing. So then I'm going to try and get ChatGPT to fix it itself. So come back over here and say, like, I'm not even going to look at the code, at least for right now. So I'm going to say something like, it's not plotting anything. Hit enter. It's pretty cool how ChatGPT works. It knows, it's like you're having a conversation with someone. It knows what you were just talking about. So if you just say, it's not plotting anything, it knows what it just told you. So it's going to go back through that. So let's see. Now it's saying that everything's fine, so we'll have to fix it ourselves. All right, so make sure you have added the script to the chart. Did it? Yep. Double check that the plot colors are set correctly in the script. Support resistance plots are cyan, signal color green, breakouts red, bearish if you want to change the plot colors. Okay. And verify that your length input is set correctly in the script. I provided the length is set to 30 days by default, but if you want to change the length, okay, so we'll go over there, kind of mess with it, see if we can change it to actually show a plot. Clear lower, low point, lowest length. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, I'm not going to bore you guys with this stuff, so I'm going to try and just get something simple. Plotting. Okay, signal. It might be this plot signal if bullish breakout and well, where's this trying to plot? I'm going to take the declare lower out and see if it'll plot on the actual upper chart. What the heck did that do? Why? Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here either. Let's go back. And okay, so try and get the AI to fix it itself. Still, actually, I'm going to tell it to make it an upper. Still no plots. And can you make it an upper chart indicator? The previous didn't work. All right, so it's modifying it to work on the upper, and let's see if that helped the plots as well. Okay, now it's going to add chart bubbles. In this version, we took away the declare low. Yeah. It's a paint strategy to Boolean arrows up. Okay, so let's copy this, see if it works. Okay, now we have an error. So glad we have an error now, so I can show you guys an easy way to show ChatGPT exactly where the errors were and see if it'll fix it itself. So see that says no such parameter, up color at 22.8. So this is 22, this is 8. So there's no signal. Set paint strategy. Okay, so I think I can figure that. But if you don't know what you're doing, select all this, and you can't right click. I'm trying right now. It doesn't do anything. So what you have to do is you select it all, hit Control C. That will copy. You go back to ChatGPT down here, and just Control V, and it'll tell you exactly what the errors are. Send that away to it, and see if it can fix it. Of course, you apologize for the errors, and a lot of times you'll see it'll just have the exact same errors over and over and over. And if it does try and fix the errors, again, a lot of times it will just completely change the entire indicator that it was working on before in trying to fix the errors. So see if this actually works. This version, we removed up color, down color parameters, set paint strategy functions since they are not necessary using paint strategy Boolean arrows up. All right, so let's see if this works. And what's cool about this is it's just the possibilities are endless, right? Like you could, anything you can think of, tell it to make you an indicator. Cannot access dynamic value installation, set default color. That was that error. Let's see, set default color. Oh, let's select all this, do the same thing, Control C, tell AI it messed up again, Control V, Apologize for the error. Of course you do. ChatGPT is very polite. Boy, it's thinking hard now. We might have broke ChatGPT. Oh boy, it's never done this before. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and we'll come back to it when it just died. ChatGPT AI, I'm sorry I killed you. Let's just see what happens if we just do the same thing. Okay, yeah, starting to think again. All right. Directed code for the indicator. We shall see. And if you go through this, like I say, a lot of times it's got errors, and it'll just, you keep telling it, okay, there was an error here, and it does the same exact code, or it'll change things that don't even have to do with that error. So you will have to know some Ink script or Pine script, whatever you're working with, to fix the errors. But again, really cool. You could just tell it, make me a strategy in ThinkScript that charts the RSI if it crosses this. Oh, looks like it actually fixed it. Let's see. Apply. And there are no, well, I mean, maybe there's no triangle patterns on. Another one ticker that did. Okay. And no plots again. So anyways, just want to show you guys how you can do it. Some of the keywords you have to use. I'm not going to bore you trying to figure this out. I'm going to make an updated video. If I go and check out the code, see why it's not plotting. It might just be changing the time frames, something like that, but don't need to bore you guys with that stuff. So if you guys have any ideas, or you want me to try and code something in ChatGPT, certain indicators or whatever, see if it works, let me know in the description, and please like and subscribe.